Hi, it's Patricia. It's Saturday, September 12th, 2009. Went to the store. Wanted you to see my great deals. This is the final of the week. In front we have Cling Free, 102 counts. I hope you can see that. 102 sheets. Fabric softeners for the dryer. They were on sale $1.99 this week, and I had dollar coupons, so they cost me 99 cents. And I thought this was an awesome deal. Again, 102 sheets for 99 cents. I don't think you can go wrong. I got the Powder Fresh and the Outdoor Spring Fresh, and oh my goodness, they smell so good. So imagine what they're gonna do to my clothes. And I got my normal free toilet paper, free Kleenex, and more toilet paper. I started out at, hopefully you can see this. Let's get a little closer. Okay, ShopRite, and you see all of the toilet paper and all of the dryer sheets, and it came to $47.55. Then after scanning my card, and then down the bottom, they scanned all of my coupons, and you can see that. And I ended up paying $8.33. Again, from $47.55 all the way down to $8.33. www.patticoupons.com. Again, Patricia at www.patticoupons.com. Have a great day, and I look forward to speaking with you. Bye-bye.